Hello folks, How to Bloke back again. I think this is part 4, or maybe it's part 5. I think it's part 4. Anyway, I got this is a Yamaha YZF R1 1998 original one. Now, I've got it all on, as you can see. The handlebar is pretty easy to fit. The clutch cable was simple, just change it really, just for a longer one. Again, with the brake hoses, they were pretty easy to fit as well. I had to mess about with this arrangement a little bit. I'll come on to that in a minute. The only difficulty, the difficulty part here was there's a little pin underneath there which locates into the handlebar, which you've got to drill into the handlebar. It doesn't come pre-drilled, so it was locating the right position for this twist grip, and I messed up a little bit here. I wanted to leave a little bit for the bar ends, so the bar ends wouldn't touch this part of it, so I made a little bit too much clearance there, but it looks all right, you know. I'll change it back when I need to. Brake lever is all right. Well, everything's pucker, you know. Ignition's good. Now the big problem I've got here is clearance. When I turn the handlebars, this is what happens. I turn it to the right, clack there. Turn it to the left, clack there. Now, what I could do is I could mechanically limit the angle which the bars could turn, so it would stop there and stop there, kind of thing, which is all very well and good if you're moving, but you know, driving it normally. But if you get to a junction or something, a small junction, and you really need to turn the bars a lot more, or manoeuvring, parking it or whatever, that's, you know, it's not good enough. So I'm gonna have to think of a way of doing something with that. Anyway, that will probably be in part, or the next part. I think what I might do is cut, you see this here, cut down here, this line here, and follow it to the curve right to there, because then this handlebar will go underneath, underneath there, you see? Underneath that bit, it will go underneath there, so maybe that's an option. And I'll do the same the other side. Other pieces I need finishing here. This little nut thing here, it's pretty solid as is, but I need to finish that there. And it went quite well. I mean, the parts that came in the kit are top quality. I have no complaints there. It's just really the fairing, you know, it's designed for clip-ons, the fairing. So I expect it to be a problem, but I'll come back with another section on how I overcome this. Anyway, bye for now.